Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video I share with you this yummy chocolate Abelewalls recipe. This ice cream tasted so yummy, guys, you would love it. Let's get started. In a bowl, I'll go in with my unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll then add some hot water. So I'm going to stir until all the cocoa powder is well dissolved, and then I'll set this aside. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm Getty and you're welcome to my channel where we make simple and easy recipes here. If you are interested, consider subscribing. So in another bowl, I'll go in with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'll then add water and mix everything well. So after this, I'll go ahead and then transfer this on the fire. So this has been on the fire for just a few minutes, and I'll stir continuously to avoid having any lumps. So at this point it has begun to thicken up. So now it has already thickened up well. So I'll just go ahead and then add my powdered milk. I will stir everything beautifully. While stirring, I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers and new subscribers right here. You guys are so amazing. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, sharing, commenting, and also liking my video. I am truly grateful and God bless you all. So at this point, I'll just take it off from the fire and transfer this in a bowl. So here we have our porridge now. I went in with my condensed milk. I will also stir this nicely and then go ahead to add my other ingredients. If you are still watching up to this time, please don't forget to like this video and also share. So now I will add my cocoa mixture, which I did earlier on, added some salt and also vanilla essence. Okay, so I'm going to stir everything until all are well combined. And you can watch me on Facebook, and if you want short videos too, you can watch me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short as well. The name is Getty Books and it is also free. You don't have to pay. So now I had some evaporated milk reserved in the fridge and I added it to the cocoa ice cream. So I will stir it nicely. So guys, just look at the mixture. It's already looking so yummy, and guys, you will love this ice cream recipe. So now just look at this mixture, looking so yummy, and I went ahead to tie this off camera. So after tying the ice cream, here is it. We'll go ahead and then put this in the freezer for 8 hours. So guys, after 8 hours, here is our chocolate Abelewalls, looking so yummy. I tasted it, it was so good, so yummy and refreshing. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.